Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Today we're looking at silver. I want to show you a long-term chart going back to the early 1960s. We have here a pattern matcher, a rough pattern that the computer isolates. You can see it caught three of them, similar patterns. The other thing I would point out is we have a double bottom that preceded big moves up. Now this one was a little bit of a head fake, but it did go up. And here, most recently in 2016, 2018, you got a double bottom, got a little head fake here, and then you started to move up. Now, for the last 10 years, well, 8 years anyway, from right here, I've been warning clients that a big move up in silver is coming. Now, a lot of Johnny-come-latelys have been jumping on the bandwagon saying that they've called the silver rally, but truth be told, this is a chart that I've been showing clients for years, and I said to them, hey, this is going to be huge. You broke out above this Gann line. Now, the reason this is not completely straight, this is a log scale chart, but I can't draw a straight trend line. But if you were to draw a straight trend line, you would see that you broke out here in 2024. So my clients knew that this thing was going to rocket higher. And, I think what you have to do is you have to look for breakouts, you have to look for patterns, and you have to look at the long-term data. The long-term data, you had this pattern that clearly indicated a rally was coming. You got the breakout here. You knew it was going to be a big move up. So that's what we look for on the long-term chart. We do have short-term charts that reinforce the message, but the point that you'd want to get across is that you take advantage of dips to buy into silver, but maybe you've missed a big chunk of the rally already because, the time to get long was on this breakout. That was back in 2024. So this was not a mystery. I'm just saying, there are Gann charts I can show you that are even better than this one that will indicate why we had this huge rally. But if you'd like to see those charts, go to the website, www.GannAnalysis.net, hit the shop button, sign up for a 1 month or a 3-month trial, try it out, see how you like it. If you don't want to continue, you don't have to, but I'm guessing you will because this is the tip of the iceberg. You're going to see a lot more interesting charts if you subscribe. And if you're interested in precious metals, I still have a lot to say on these markets, gold, silver, platinum. I think you'll be quite impressed with the charts, and you'll want to trade this market going forward. So think about it, and good luck in your trading. If you like this video, give us a like, thumbs up, and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. And let's keep it up. Let's see what's going to happen next. I'm saying you're going to be surprised at what comes next. And clients know, but I think you want to know. So seriously think about a trial subscription.